Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, let us unbox one of the products, small gift given by a government agency. So this is a product they are being promoted, but before that, we have to show that we have here a light bulb that is USB supplied, so it could directly be connected to power supply, and therefore we have one. Turn on status of the light. So I'm just showing you because our products that we're going to talk about is one that would supply power. So let us proceed with the introduction of the product. So we have here the here is a small pouch, and actually open it. It is DOE, meaning Department of Energy, Alternative Fuels Division. So we have, wow, solar type power bank. Solar type power bank with flashlight. Okay, this is the solar panel, and we have the ports. So there are two standard USB ports and one mini USB port for charging. So there are functions, LED, so flash light function, and on button. So we have together with it the universal USB for connecting with the gadgets of different mini USB type. So there are three types, usually the oblong type and the standard most common type, and the latest type is this one. We can also see what is this user's guide and some specs. Okay, let us first try to use how to charge. So let us use the charge button. It is of standard, most common type of mini USB port here. Yes. Okay. Here. As you can see, there's already an amount of charge currently, and there are four LEDs that would show us the the status of the charging from 0 to 100%. So there are 4 LEDs that are currently being lighted on. So 100, that means 100%. So there are only 2 LEDs turn on 50%, 3 LEDs 75%. So we have 4 LEDs, but the last LED is what? It's blinking, so the charge is about 75 to 100%. Okay. And we can take a look at the user's guide. We have what? Dual LED light. That is the flashlight function. Lighting button. This is the flashlight. So 1, 2. There are 2 of them. And beside the 4 LED light here, the one here is probably the electric coil, okay, electric coil that could be used for coil lighter. It's a coil lighter. So we have on button, and so just take it out and find out if it can be used now to light this electric bulb. So this electronic bulb. So you have to press the on button. Okay. So as you can see, the bulb is now turned on. So while that's turned on, let us take a look at the specification. Again, this was given by the Department of Energy for their promotion of the solar power bank. So how much energy can be saved using this power bank? If there are 146.9 million cell phone users in the country, one smartphone is a consumption point 0.32 kilowatts per charge. With that 146.9 million cell phone, and phone capacity is about 3,200 milliampere hours for each smartphone. That could last for 2 days, for example. That is a conservative estimate. So therefore, the total charging of the phone is estimated to be every 2 days. That would be 15 charging cycles per month or 180 charging cycles per year. Using those conservative estimate, in a year, a phone being charged using a solar power bank can save up to 2.43 kilowatt hour annually. Imagine that. And therefore, 1,000 cell phone, only 1,000 cell phone. We are not talking about 1 million. Only 1,000 cell phone, 2.43 megawatt hour. So for the next 5 years, EUMB targets 5% total cell phone subscribed or around 7.35 million. Just 5% of the 146 subscribers. 7.35 million cell phone. Using this power bank. Okay, about 7 million. No? Using this power bank can save about 18 gigawatt hours per year. Imagine that. 18 gigawatt hours. Okay. So that is about a province. Only 7 million. So also this is large province, no? With 7 million people. Okay. Usually our provinces population is about 800 to 1 million. So it's a very large province. There are provinces that with actually in CR is about 12 million more population. So in CR alone, there are about you can see 15 million cell phone. Okay, so it's not very hard to imagine this to be large, equivalent to one large province. And one large province, 18 gigawatt hours per year. So it's amazing amount of power that could be saved using this solar power bank alone. That's why they are promoting this product. I'm not aware if this product is their own innovation or the department's own product, or they just do it in a joint venture with other manufacturing company or electronic factory. I'm not aware of anything other than because of this specification says that this Department of Energy brand, okay? Specification of power bank, it is with a battery capacity of 10,000 milliamp, about medium capacity. It is about medium capacity power bank. So the last power bank that I had was also given by an electronics manufacturer, precision electronics manufacturer, about 20,000 mega amp per hours. So this is about half of that capacity. This is about medium capacity industry standard. Okay. It is in addition water resistant, can be charged either by solar, using the solar panel, or plug directly to 220 volts. Okay, that's about it. It has with IC protector to avoid overcharging short circuit. So internally built in. So it is also an emergency flashlight. So can we use it flashlight? This flashlight. It can be used as a flashlight, as you can see. Okay, good product given by Department of Energy. Thank you for giving us this free gift. Right? Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.